In the previous video, we showed you how you can connect to the Product Hunt API without code. In that video, we got the top featured posts for today, along with their names, votes, tagline, day it was posted, redirect URLs, thumbnails, and a few other data points that could be interesting. But DataBar is much more than a simple API connector. It's a full-fledged spreadsheet, which you can use to filter data, manage your columns, or even deduplicate or clear specific parts of your data. Every change that you make, for example, if you change the name of one of your columns, will be saved in our database and be there for you once you return. Now, let's set up a quick enrichment. To do that, we'll click on Data and Enrichments. Click on the Enrichments tab and select Add a new enrichment. You'll see a list of enrichments pop up. All of these enrichments are currently available with DataBar, and most of them do not require you to enter an API key. This means that your DataBar subscription allows you to access all of these data sources and enrichments in your plan. Now, if we look at our source data set, we can see that the URL of the company is set as a redirect. If we click on it, it takes us to the actual website, but the source column includes a Product Hunt URL. If we want to gather some data about these companies, we won't be able to do that through a redirect URL because third-party data providers like Clearbit and Diffbot are expecting the original company's URL. Now, to do that, let's first extract the redirect URL of each one of these companies. And to do that, we can select the extract domain from redirect URL enrichment. Let's map this enrichment to our table. And to do that, we select the redirect URL column. And let's add these two columns to our table. Once you set up an enrichment, you'll see two new columns show up in your table. You can distinguish them by their color. And if you want to launch them, you can do so very quickly by clicking on the lightning bolt, one by one, or by clicking on the three dots, selecting enrichment, and run all roles in this column. But let's just stick to the first three for now. Now that we have the URLs of these companies, we can click on Data Enrichments again, click Add a new enrichment, and let's select the latest domain statistics enrichment. This enrichment will tell us how many visits, paid traffic, and SEO rankings each one of these companies has gotten over the past year, month, or week. Now in this case, we want to match the enrichment to the actual URL of the company, so let's select domain. And let's add all of these columns to our table. We'll get the average organic rank, monthly paid clicks, average ad rank, total organic results, monthly budget, and a few other items that could be interesting. Add 11 columns. Now let's close the sidebar and run our new enrichment. Once we run this enrichment, we'll see the average organic rank, paid clicks. So for example, this company, Colado, has been getting an average organic rank of 51.1. If we take this look at the second one, which is AI Chat Fuel, this one has approximately a similar rank and a monthly budget of 2,621. Super.so is ranked a little bit lower and has no monthly budget for ads. Once we're done enriching our data, we can share and download it or stream it to our HubSpot, Google Sheets, or Coda.io. That's it for now.